Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will show you how to access and get Kimi K3 model API key and use it inside Claude Code for free. Okay, so let's get started and I will show you the whole setup and step by step we will go to access the Kimi K3 API key from model and use it inside Claude Code. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser and search for model.com website. After opening this, we will press and just in sign up. So we will continue with GitHub or Google. So I will press Google account. As you can see, it gives $30 free credit to everyone. After creating account, you can access $30 for free to use it for Kimi K3 model, which is same to 10 million input tokens and 2 million output tokens per Kimi K3 model. So after creating your account, you will see here 3D credits. Look at $30 for free for everyone just by creating your account using Google or GitHub. So now let's get API key and use it inside Claude Code. So simply just come here to the settings or we can move to the endpoints here. So after coming to the endpoints, you can see manage and parents endpoints, Kimi K3 and Queen 3. You can use all these models through their reference API key. We will just go through Kimi K3. So come here to the Kimi K3 model and press this deploy this model. After pressing this button here, we will select this manage. Okay, manage infrastructure. Select this. After that, here you can change the model, but we would like to go through Kimi K3. So come here to the endpoint, here Kimi K3, that is name, and here we will create our token. Look at this small button, press this, and we will create our token. So the token ID and the token secret authorization. So it is showed just once. So just copy these ID and token. At the end, you can see authorization and bearer. On the right side, you can see a key. So just keep this somewhere. After copying that, now you can see we have create endpoint. Okay, enable this, press this button. So that's it. So this is the Kimi K3 model. Now we will use it inside, as you can see, okay, celebrations. So that's it. Now we can use it inside Claude Code or Open Code or Kilo Code or any other assistant agent you want. So you can use it. So let's wait. So it will load and deploy it. Then I will show you the code and the details how we can use it. Yeah, that's ready. So here we have three buttons: quick start, testing, and open code. You can set up open code configuration, but we will click on this quick start. So here is the detail that how we can set up using with Claude Code. Okay, I will use it this setting with Claude Code. It means inside Claude Code I will access this Kimi K3. So for that I will use a proxy. Okay, because these are open AI compatible API. So the for Claude Code we need Anthropic compatible API. So we need John.ai proxy. This is a GUI proxy, very simple and easy configuration. So after coming John.ai, you need to download this software. So simply click here and you can download it for Mac, Windows and Linux for all operating system. After downloading this, we will open it. I have already installed this application. As you can see, John. So I will open John application. You can see this is the interface of John application. So I will just remind me later. So come here to the settings. After coming to the system here, we have different providers. We don't have a model provider. So I will set up the model provider. So for that, I will press this uh, plus button. And here I will enter the name for the provider, that is model. Create it. So after creating that, now here we need insert API key and the base URL. So simply come here back. And here we will come. This is the base URL. Okay, let's copy this base URL. So after copying that, paste the base URL here. This is our base URL and for the API key. As I showed you, you should copy that API key. I have already copied the token and proxy we had. I will show you. So the API key should be the token ID and model proxy token secret. Both should be giant. Like I will show you. Okay, just a second. I will copy that. I have saved that. I have pasted my API key. So your API key should looks like this. Okay, let's close this and come here to the open code. Look at it should looks like this. First of all, model ID, token ID, which is started by W key, then dot, then your token secret. It started by W. It's like this. Simply come here and let's refresh it. So we have just moonshot Kimi K3 model. Okay, we have deployed this one. So we have this model. That's it. So it is all about this. Let's come here now. Come here to the Claude Code. And here we will just swap these models. Instead of Sonnet, we will use our moonshot K3, Kimi K3. Let's find our model where that is. Okay, instead of all these, we will use our Kimi K3 model. Okay, from model provider, select this for all these. Select this. Now save and enable. So it will start now server. Just a minute. So it will start. Yeah, the environment variable updated. Please try relaunching Claude Code. That's it. So now it is set up the terminal. Let's open in terminal and write here Claude. So let's write slash status, and still we don't have the configuration. But what we can do, simply let's close it once, and I will move to the C drive and come here back to the users and find .claude folder. This is .claude folder, open settings.json file. Remove this setting. So let's close this also, and open system environment variable. Edit system environment variable. Open this, and environment variables on Windows. Look at our Anthropic base URL is okay. Moonshot key. Yeah, that's it. And let's now okay and okay. Now we will relaunch. Close this. So right click, open in terminal. Now let's write Claude. So it will run Claude Code for us. As you can see now, we have Moonshot AI Kimi K3 1 million context this model. Let's simply ask from this, like we will start chatting with this hello. So let's see the response of this model. Yeah, hello, I am ready to help. I see we are in D in this folder. What would you like to work on today? So that's it, like simply a snake game plan for me. Simply like this. Okay, just a plan for snake game. I will just ask this and see the response. You can try whatever you want. So this was the API and 30 credit, $30 credit for everyone. I'd be happy to help you plan a snake game directory. Yeah, that is creating a directory for us, as you can see inside this folder. So it will create everything. Let's check that. Yeah, it's working. So that's it. So it want browser HTML, JS. So how do you want to have this? Okay. So simply like browser HTML, JavaScript, Canvas. Simply press this. What features should the game include? Classic, basic, only basic plus full features like basic plus polish. And human plays keyboard. AI plays both human AIs. Human plays keyboard. And review your answer. And browser, yeah, submit that. Yeah, that's it. The directory is completely empty. This is a greenfield build. So there is code base, explore, and whatever. So this is all about that, as you can see. So it is created like it want to create snake.html file, and it is asking yes and use auto mode, yes manually. Claude has written up a plan and is ready to execute. Would you like to proceed? So you can proceed it. Okay. So it just completed everything, but finally it says now I'll create the game file, the complete single file snake game. The model 2 call could not be parsed, try also. So I don't know why it passed with this error. We have created and everything, and it is working, and it generated everything for us as we specified. Look at. So everything was okay, but let's check. Yeah, it didn't create the file. I don't know. Let's check our usage. So let's refresh our usage, right? Simply just come here. As you can see, 0.86 as I have used. So $0.86 has been used, and we have $29.14 remained. So it is how you can configure and use Kimi K3 model inside the Claude Code. As I showed you, you can use this John proxy to set up and use the API from Modal and use it inside that. So it was all about the today video that I showed you how you can access this model. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like this video for and comment down to support me to make more videos like this on free API and free models. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.